Let's go. Welcome back to Riso Invest. In today's video, I want to be giving an update on Ethereum. Ethereum is currently trading at about 2.16k and it is looking very weak right here. I've actually opened up a short trade on Ethereum. There's currently an unrealized profit of about 1.2k. This is a $4.3 million Ethereum short. Alright, I'm going to be explaining why I think Ethereum is going to have a short-term bearish market price action and why we can bottom out within the next 2 to 3 weeks. So very important video. Do watch it to the very end. For those of you who want to be part of such trades, you want to earn millions of dollars, do join the premium group down below at risoinvest.com. You'll be trading with myself, Riso, the #1 trader right now, and you have full access to my 100x alt watch list, the bull market strategy guide, as well as the exclusive inner circle. We have 2 more spaces left, so if you're watching this video, quickly go and sign up right now. Okay, it's a one-time payment for a lifetime of access. Alright, so let's go through Ethereum at this point in time. Taking a look at the monthly time frame, we can see that Ethereum has actually rejected off a key level of resistance right here. This is this level. You can see that throughout the price action of Ethereum, ever since May of 2021 to the current point in time, Ethereum has pretty much been holding this level as a key level of support and resistance. You can take a look at the amount of consolidation that Ethereum actually has in terms of price action at this level right here, from somewhere around the 2.5k region to the 2.8k region, right? Multiple times Ethereum found this level as a form of resistance. Multiple times we found this level as a form of support on the monthly time frame. You can see that Ethereum actually is getting rejected off this level right here, and this is not surprising. The reason is because this level previously was a key level of support, and then now it has flipped into a level of resistance, and given the amount of price action and price history that Ethereum actually has on this level, it is no surprise that we're getting rejected off this level. So this is a key critical level for Ethereum to break out of. There's a good probability that we're actually going to get rejected off this region. And what I actually want to see in terms of a bullish price action for Ethereum is a breakthrough and then holding this level as a form of support, which is not what we are seeing at this point in time. So let's take a look at where we are in terms of the weekly time frame as well. Taking a look at the weekly time frame, you can see more clearly that Ethereum has actually rejected off this level. Right? This was the key level that we're talking about, somewhere around the 2.38 region, and Ethereum has tested this level on the weekly time frame about 4 times, right? 1 time over here, 2 times over here, 3, 4, and this is actually the 5th candle itself. And every single time we actually tested this level of resistance, many sellers actually step in and we sell off towards the downside. You can see with this wicks over here, that Ethereum has a lot of difficulty trying to break through from this region. And this is not surprising, as I explained previously, because this was key level of supports previously that are now turning into a key level of resistance. Given that we've rejected off this level, you might be asking me, Riso, where exactly can we bottom? I actually do believe that Ethereum is near the bottom already and that we are currently trading way below the 200-week moving average. In fact, if you take note of it, the level we rejected off from is actually the 200-week moving average over here. Now, classically, buying Ethereum below the 200-week moving average has proven to come back with a lot of benefits, right? You can see buying over here, buying over here, buying over here. These are all key areas where buying Ethereum below the 200-week moving average actually give you a pretty nice return in terms of the price itself, right? If let's say you bought Ethereum at this point in time below the 200-week moving average, there's easily a 223% gain in terms of the price action. But nevertheless, we need to take note as to where Ethereum can potentially bottom, right? And in order to do that, we need to take note where is the next level of price consolidation. So let's zoom in over here. You can see that pretty much the next level of consolidation is this level over here. And this level is somewhere around the 1.7k region, and Ethereum has found this level as a form of support multiple times on multiple occasions, and there was a single area of a wick right here before it reclaimed the level and traded towards the upside. And I think that the probability of Ethereum heading down here to the 1.7k region is actually very, very high in the immediate short term, and this is exactly why I've entered the Ethereum short trade that is currently in live profit of about 5.2k, right? Just in a span of a few minutes I've made about $5,000 to $6,000. Okay, so how exactly do we need to watch the price action? Firstly, watch for the 1.7k region and take a look at the daily time frame as well. On the daily time frame, if you're watching this video at this point in time, this is a clear signal for you to actually short Ethereum. You can see that the EMAs over here, the 20-day and the 50-day EMA is actually about to cross right here. Right, and this is a clear signal that Ethereum has actually failed this breakthrough, and currently we are trading towards the downside. And the next level of target is actually this region right here, the 1.7k region, where there's an insane amount of price consolidation in terms of the price action of Ethereum itself. So a good short that you can actually enter at this point in time, if you're still watching this video right now, and you're watching at a good point in time, is actually trading right above this level right here and targeting this 1.7k region right here. Right, the rationale why we put our stop loss over here is because this was a key level of resistance, and definitely if Ethereum breaks out of this level, you definitely want to get stopped out, because breaking a key level of resistance equivalates to turning this level into a level of support. And you can see that pretty much there is a fair value gap at this area, which means that if Ethereum actually breaks out from 2.3k, we are going to fly up very quickly into the 2.8, 2.9k region very soon. But nevertheless, if you're watching this video, why I've actually entered this short trade right here and why currently I'm in profit about 6.9k is because we have a EMA crossover here. Ethereum has actually broken down from all the EMAs itself. If I actually zoom in for you guys over here, you can see that Ethereum is trading below all the EMAs, and we are heading towards our target down below here at about 1.7k. The rationale why we choose this level as 1.7k as the target is because there's just insane amount of price action previously and an insane amount of support at this level. Given the market outlook, given the fact that we're now trading below the 200-week moving average, I think it's a very, very good buy for people who are trying to buy spot Ethereum. Definitely buying below the 200-week moving average is a good buy itself, but if you're trading with me and you want to earn some money from this trade, definitely you can enter the short right now and target about 1.7k Ethereum. After that, I think that there's a good chance that we're going to reverse towards the upside before Ethereum starts to hit towards the 3k region and potentially the 4k region by Q3 and Q4 of 2026. Alright, so this is going to be a quick trade. For those of you who are part of the premium group, you guys are already updated as to my exact entries and exits, and actually if you've been in the premium group, you've been making a lot of money right now because you have entered this trade and you have profited from this crash on Ethereum from up here at about 2.4k down to here at about 2.1k. Alright, so I'll keep you guys updated. If you have any questions at all, do drop in the comment section down below. And for those of you who want to change your life today, you want to be part of the premium group, do join down below at rizoinvest.com. Again, it's a one-time purchase for your lifetime access. You have full access to my 100x watch list, which is so valuable, guys. The 100x investments is what's going to change your life. You have full access to my bull market strategy guide, as well as the exclusive inner circle where we can discuss stocks, market analysis, and we can tell you guys what exactly is going on with the market every single day. Alright, do not waste this opportunity. Join down below today at rizoinvest.com, and as always, invest safe.